Hi, I'm Janine West of PhytoServe, and we're here today looking at a project that's been funded by the RAMI initiative, funded through Farm and Food Care. And we're at Willowbrook. They have very ambitious desires to decrease their water use by 50% in the next 7 years. We're doing an analysis of the water balance at this container nursery. When determining the water balance, we need to look at all the water sources in and then where water could be lost or how it leaves the system. So we start with the precipitation and irrigation as the inputs for water. Then the water that is held in the pot. Down here with the water storage in the soil or media. And there's also water in the growing bed below it. And water leaves the system also through the plant being used. So we have transpiration, and we have water being lost through evaporation, and we have runoff as well that's carrying out to the recycling pond. We found that in order to measure all the inflows and outflows, it was simpler to narrow it down to one section of the farm. So the M zone, these are open beds, and the P polyhouses on the right are all within one unit area, so that we can look at the water going out and the return water all within one zone.
We have here the pump house and our storage pond, which we use as our main irrigation feed. At this point, we are measuring the water in the pump house that is being put onto the nursery, and we're also measuring the water that's being collected back to the catch basin.
We're here at the nursery trying to quantify where the water is going after it's used. So after an irrigation or a rainfall, all the water from the open beds and the polyhouses is coming into the central driveway, flowing down towards a catch basin. From the catch basin, the water is pumped into the irrigation pond and recaptured. There's a flow meter now from the catch basin on the pump that's going into the pond, so we can measure how much we're able to capture after an irrigation or a rainfall and then use again on this nursery production. Here, the water which is being recaptured is being pumped into the irrigation pond. The flow meter is measuring how much we're able to recapture, and this antenna is sending a wireless signal back to the central computer about those measurements.